Hey everyone, welcome back to Buick Outdoors. If you're new here, my name is Sheldon Marion, and on this video we're going to be doing a rifle review on the Savage Arms 93R17. So to start things off, this is just kind of the run-of-the-mill cheap rimfire rifle that you can buy. It's just a black synthetic stock, comes with the Savage Arms AccuTrigger, bolt action. You have your safety here, 5-round detachable magazine. It's a 21-inch barrel. It's all blued, and then I just top it off with a Simmons 3-9 by 32, the 22 Magnum scope. The gun itself, they run like $300. Then this scope, it's just a real cheap scope. They're about $80. And then the ammo that I use CCI VMAX. They're kind of, you can find the VMAX pretty well anywhere that you get ammo from. And then I usually don't shoot with the bipod on, but just for this video, I'm going to be shooting with the bipod on. And other than that, guys, like honestly, anything that I tell you here about the gun, you can just read up on it if you just go to Savage Arms website and just check out the 93R17. When I watch a gun review video, I really don't care what features it has for the most part. You know, it's all on the website. What I care about is the accuracy. So basically, that's the review of the gun. Now we're gonna get to shooting. If you've seen some of my my chicken videos, you know that I've made some very long shots on a chicken with this gun. You know, I make headshots 60 to 80 yards on a chicken where their head is about that big. So today what I got is I got this camera here, I got this camera, and I got a camera downrange. So I think it's time to get to shooting, and the first 3 shots are going to be the top left target, and this is at 25 yards. So let's get to her. Alrighty, there's 3 shots. It's shooting a little bit left right now, but there is quite a bit of wind today, so I'm not too concerned. I'm not gonna adjust the scope. I was just shooting it there yesterday or 2 days ago, and it was dead on. So yeah, a little bit of wind. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that target and I'm gonna put it out there at 50 yards, put some more bullets in the gun, then we'll shoot it at 50 yards. Alright, well, just got back, set the target up there at 50 yards, and I got the camera set up down there again. Here's the 17 HMR VMAX from CCIs that I shoot. They're kind of, again, it's like this gun. It's the run-of-the-mill, the kind of cheapo ones are CCIs. It's kind of like Federal, Blazer kind of thing. You can pretty well find these almost everywhere. So I'm definitely not shooting any fancy loads or anything like that. Typically don't shoot with glasses on either. I don't really like shooting with glasses on. I don't shoot with glasses when I'm out hunting, so I'm not gonna do it today. Anyways, just load up this magazine, and then we'll take 3 more shots. And this time it'll be the top right target, and we keep getting kind of gusts of wind here, so we might have to shoot between wind. Right now it's nice and calm, so I think I'm just gonna shut up and get to shooting here while it's still calm. And then this is the only issue I've had with this gun, is the grooves on the magazine. Every once in a while they kind of get a little sticky going in, but other than that, this thing has been just a phenomenal gun. Alrighty, double check, make sure that one's on. Hopefully that one's on. I'm not walking down there to check. Anyways, let's do 3 more shots and we'll see here. Don't even know where that one went. Well, it's way high and way left. Something might be wrong. Yeah, here comes that wind again. It's about the only downside too. Well, one of the downsides with the 17. If there's any wind whatsoever, that little 17 grain bullet, it just goes flying all over the place. Same thing with shooting through any kind of brush, grass, willows, alder. It's a great chicken gun if the chicken's down the middle of the road, but if they fly up into some of the trees and stuff, you might have some issues with it. Ah, that sinking wind. Well, I did about a 1-inch group, but it's inch high, 1.5 inches left. So that's not too good. Well, we'll give her one more here. That one, it was the same hole as the last shot, so I think that's pretty well where the gun's shooting, at 50 yards. But might be something going on, might be my shooting, who knows. But what we can do, load up some more. I think it only had 4 in there. Yep. So we'll do 5. Oop. That's more than 5. Maybe what we'll do today, maybe we'll adjust the scope. And then we'll shoot for maybe the bottom left target. Really don't want to adjust the scope, but we're going to today. I can always make another range day, come out and shoot again. Bring her back up to the 0 for 25 yards. So I made a couple more adjustments to the scope, and now the wind, it seems to have calmed down slightly, but not too much. So instead of going after the bottom left, we'll change it up and go to the bottom right. And we'll see if we can smack the little bullseye there again. It's somewhat close. Just a hair left. Yeah, see, now that the wind has calmed down, the groups are just tightening right up, but take a couple more shots. There, I'm gonna call that good enough, I think. You know, this isn't typically, like, this isn't a long range rifle. This is just my chicken gun that I shoot chickens at you know, 25 to 50 yards. I take the odd pop shot at 60 up to 80 yards. I think last year the longest one I shot was at like 96. But once as you're reaching that far with this setup, it's not really much of skill. After that, it's mainly just kind of pure luck. But yeah, shoots half decent once you get past 50 yards. But for a $300 gun and an $80 scope, I mean, I'm very happy with this rifle. So again, guys, this is the Savage Arms model 93R17. Pick them up at pretty well anywhere that sells rifles. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.